Hello, everyone, and welcome back, friends, to Mr. Adam Channel. I'm so happy you're here today. How are you feeling right now, Adam?
I'm feeling good, Sarah. But, when I looked outside this morning, the sky was gray. It made me want to stay in bed all day.
Oh, I totally understand. The weather really affects our mood, doesn't it? When it's sunny, we feel so alive and motivated, but when it rains, we just feel sleepy and lazy.
Exactly. That's so true. And that's why today's podcast is going to be super useful.
Yes! Today, we're going to talk about weather in English, one of the most common and easy topics you can use in daily conversations.
Right. If you can talk about the weather, you can start a friendly chat almost anywhere, at work, at school, or even with someone you just met.
Absolutely. So stay with us, relax, and let's learn how to talk about weather naturally and confidently in English.
Sounds great, Sarah. Let's get started.
Good morning, Sarah. It's nice to see you again. How are you today?
Good morning, Adam. I'm doing well, thank you. The first thing I noticed when I woke up was how bright it was outside. The sunshine came straight through my window.
Yes, it's such a beautiful morning. The sunlight feels warm and the sky is completely clear. Not a single cloud up there.
I love mornings like this. They make me feel fresh and full of energy. When the weather is sunny, everything just seems a little easier.
I feel the same. It's funny how much the weather can change our mood. Yesterday was cold and gray, and I just wanted to stay inside all day. But today, I feel like going out and doing something active.
That's so true. Weather really affects how we feel and what we want to do. When it's rainy, I like to stay home with a book and a cup of tea. But on a sunny day like this, I want to go for a walk or sit in the park.
What's your favorite kind of weather, Sarah?
That's a hard question. I think I like spring the most. The air is warm but not too hot, and the flowers start to bloom. It feels like everything is coming back to life after winter. What about you?
I'd say autumn is my favorite. I love the cool breeze and the smell of dry leaves. The colors of the trees are beautiful, red, orange, and gold everywhere. It feels calm and peaceful.
Oh, yes. Autumn is beautiful, too. I like wearing cozy sweaters and drinking hot chocolate when it's chilly outside.
Speaking of chilly, last week was freezing. I remember walking to the studio early in the morning, and my hands felt numb. I could see my breath in the air.
I know that feeling. My nose always turns red when it's that cold. I had to wear 2 pairs of socks just to stay warm.
Winter can be rough sometimes. The wind blows so hard that it feels like it cuts through your coat. But at the same time, I enjoy it when I'm inside watching the snow fall. It's quiet and peaceful.
Yes, especially when you're wrapped in a blanket with some warm soup. Snow makes everything look magical. The whole world turns white and silent.
Do you remember the big snow last year? The one that covered the streets overnight?
Of course. It was so heavy that cars couldn't move for 2 days. I stayed home and built a snowman in my backyard.
I remember you sent me a photo of that snowman. It looked like it was wearing your scarf.
It was my favorite blue scarf. It was the only one long enough.
That week was freezing cold, but after the snow melted, the air felt so fresh. The first sunny day after snow always feels special.
Yes, like a new beginning. I love that moment when the sun comes back and the snow starts to sparkle.
The sound of melting ice, the water dripping from the roof. It's small, but it reminds you that spring is near.
Speaking of spring, have you noticed how the weather changes so quickly these days? One moment it's sunny, and the next moment dark clouds appear out of nowhere.
Oh, yes, that happened to me yesterday. I went out without an umbrella, and suddenly it started raining so hard that I got completely soaked.
That's the worst. I hate when it rains unexpectedly. But sometimes rain feels nice, especially in the evening. It makes everything calm and cozy.
True. I like listening to rain when I'm at home. The sound of raindrops on the window is so relaxing.
It's funny. People always talk about the weather, but I think it's because it's something everyone shares. Whether you're happy, tired, or busy, the weather always finds its way into the conversation.
Exactly. It's such a simple way to connect with others. Even strangers can talk about it. Like, it's so hot today. Or, can you believe this rain? It's small talk, but it opens the door to something bigger.
Yes, it makes people smile. I guess the weather brings us together, sometimes literally, like when everyone runs under the same roof to escape the rain.
That's a great image. You know, I also love summer evenings. The ones when the sky turns orange and pink before sunset.
Oh, yes, those are beautiful. I like sitting outside when the air is still warm, watching the light fade slowly. It feels peaceful.
And when a cool breeze starts to blow, it's the best moment of the day.
Definitely. There's something about the smell of summer air. Fresh, a little sweet, maybe from the flowers.
I agree. Every season has its own scent. Spring smells like new grass, summer like flowers, autumn like dry leaves, and winter like cold air and wood smoke.
That's such a nice way to describe it, Adam. Weather really tells the story of the world around us.
Yes, and somehow it also tells a story about how we feel inside.
Adam, did you notice the change in the sky this morning? It was bright when I left home, but now there are gray clouds everywhere.
Yes, I saw that too. It looks like it might rain later. The wind feels stronger than before.
It's amazing how quickly the weather can shift. Just a few hours ago, it looked like a perfect day.
That's the thing about this city. You can never predict it. Sometimes we have sunshine, rain, and wind all in the same afternoon.
Right. Last weekend was like that. In the morning, it was hot. By lunchtime, it started raining. And in the evening, it was freezing. I didn't know what to wear.
The classic 4 seasons in one day. I always keep a small umbrella in my bag just in case.
Smart idea. I should start doing that too. I always forget mine and end up borrowing one from a friend.
You know what I like after the rain? The smell of the ground, that earthy, fresh scent. It's one of my favorites.
Yes, it smells like nature. Everything feels clean again after the rain. The trees look greener and the air feels lighter.
Sometimes I go for a walk right after the rain stops. The streets are shiny, the puddles reflect the sky, and the air feels cool on your face.
That sounds peaceful. I usually stay inside during the rain, but maybe I should try walking afterward.
You'd like it, especially when the sun breaks through the clouds and creates a rainbow.
Oh, rainbows. They always make me stop for a moment. No matter how many times I've seen one, it still feels special.
Same here.
It's like a small reminder that even after the storm, beauty comes back.
That's a lovely way to put it. By the way, have you ever experienced really strong wind?
Oh, yes. Last year near the coast, the wind was so strong I could barely walk straight. My hat flew off, and my hair was a complete mess.
I can imagine that. Windy days are tricky. They make me feel both excited and tired at the same time.
Yeah, there's something dramatic about wind. It feels alive, like the air is moving with emotion.
That's beautiful. You know, sometimes I think weather has its own personality. Sunny days are cheerful, rainy days are calm, windy days are wild, and snowy days are peaceful.
That's so true. The weather is like nature's mood.
Exactly. And it also changes how people act. On sunny days, people smile more, go out, talk to each other. On rainy days, everyone walks fast, holding umbrellas and looking down.
You're right. I think people mirror the sky in some way. When it's bright, we feel bright inside.
I like that thought. Maybe that's why I always try to find something nice in every kind of weather. Even gray skies have their own beauty.
Yes, I agree. A cloudy day can make the world look soft, almost like a painting.
Exactly. And on cold nights, the stars seem sharper and brighter.
Do you like thunderstorms, Sarah?
A little bit, yes. They scare me sometimes, but I love the sound of thunder far away and the flashes of lightning lighting up the sky.
I like watching storms from the window. The way the rain hits the glass and the thunder echoes, it makes me feel small, but in a good way.
It's humbling, isn't it? Reminds us how powerful nature is.
Yes, and how connected we are to it. Whether it's sunshine, rain, or snow, it all touches us somehow.
That's beautifully said, Adam.
Thanks, Sarah. Talking about the weather always starts simple, but somehow it always becomes something deeper.
That's what I love about it. It's never just about the sky. It's about life, moods, and moments.
Exactly. Well, it looks like the clouds are moving away now. Maybe the sun will come back this afternoon.
I hope so. Let's go for a walk later if it stays nice.
Deal. Sunshine and a walk. The perfect ending to a cloudy morning.
Agreed. Whatever the weather brings, we'll enjoy it.
Absolutely. After all, every kind of weather has its own charm.
Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!